lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. Feeling it down. Tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can't this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind and breathe. Close this door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I'm feeling it down, and I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. I've let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind and breathe. Close this door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I'm feeling it down. Tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can't this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind and breathe. Close this door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. easy.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles and time. Hello guys, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me check my audio if meron ba tayo. Yon, meron. Alright. So paano lang, patanong na lang ako if meron ba akong audio so I can dire-diretso. Paano natin? Bayan. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, it's a Wednesday evening. Yesterday, magkakasama po tayo. Nasa resistance yung market. We bought together. We've sold together. And even with trade together, we actually saw the market also rushing into the long position. No? Isang napakagandang market last night. And medyo, I think ngayon talagang based on the forecast, talagang medyo, market, pahinga muna ng konti. But we're gonna check it out tonight, of course. Please do share this live so we can reach more investors, we can reach more traders, and at the same time, we can actually learn from each other here. Because the more eyes we are in the market, the more that you see it filter the market together. We can chart it. Maybe sabay-sabay tayo bumibili dyan. Sabay-sabay tayo magsa-celebrate also. And we can also learn together through this live trading on my real port, on real account, real people, real emotions. Please do share this live, guys. Alright, so magandang gabi everyone. According to Ed Nova, Sheets USDT sakay na. Let's go. Wow, USDT na pala si Shiba. Okay, ayos. Excuse me. Katecoin, is it too late? Yeah, yesterday night, sabi ko sa inyo, if you wanted to really kay Katecoin, a risk of 48%, but I think last night, umangat siya ng 100%, right? No? LRC Marty currently holding, is the right time to exit. Good evening there, Doc Ivan. Good evening there to your coaches. Good evening from Axel. Also, thank you so much for letting me know. Thank you so much for tagging your friend Justin Baluyot already. All right, let's check it out. It's 9:30 in the evening. Our schedule supposedly is checking the market, then crypto po tayo diretso. Let's check out directly. Ano saan ang market ngayon? Okay. Tingnan mo natin dito diretso tayo dito. Okay. All right, so we're actually this is my forecast, honest. This is my elite report then, no. I've been really expecting a resistance that's actually around 724. So titingnan mo, tinamaan talaga yung resistance ko. This is my elite report. Okay? Basically, we're still on the profit sharing tuloy. Okay, may kausap kasi ako kanina, parang profit sharing yung pinag-uusapan. But basically, this is the market sentiment right now. People are, because of the fast lane, the market did in the past few weeks. We are seeing a very significant short-term profit taking possible, but definitely, no, the market will stay within this range on a momentum basis in the next 10 days on those levels. We can see a very, very fast uptrend if mag-confirm siya sa mga areas na to. But if the market will actually go on a healthy pullback trend, medyo slow ang galaw ng merkado, possible may mga kasabayang catalyst. For now, just taking a ride along with it, no? Just buy and hold. Okay, wait for a good position sa mga gusto nyong stocks. Ito check natin yung confirmation para alam din natin saan tayo mag-aabang. So definitely the market is actually still on the resting mode. Nagpapahinga, pullback mode muna tayo konti. All right, and let's go directly to the crypto because the next 30 minutes we're gonna talk about the crypto. Honestly, the crypto market is always like that, no? It's always following where the equity market is going. A higher probability, no? Palagi siyang news driven with the risk on sentiment ng equity market. Sumasabay lang siya. Okay. So what were we expecting from the crypto market? Okay. If you also notice, there is a supply zone at the top with a very, very strong resistance on this area within this budget. The Bitcoin, overall Bitcoin is really made a successful breakout. But the thing is, hindi siya nag-full close there. Hindi siya nag-close. It closed below the breakout. It closes below the breakout after a follow-up breakout. So, kung titignan natin, medyo slow down. We can expect a 3 to 5 days or even a week na pullback nito. Kunti na 3 to 5 days or even a week na pullback. So right now, nakita natin, ito yung short-term natin na trend line which is a faster lane on that perspective. Opportunity. I can see that this is an opportunity because if tumapat dyan, magkaroon niya ng buy green candle above those zones and consolidate up there, we can expect a very, very strong or very, very fast movement on the whole crypto space, on the whole crypto in general. So, that's good. That's good. Yung mga nag-take profit sa taas, nagbawas ng position, congratulations. You have now the money to buy at below price, no? Or buy those crypto or mga crypto na still kaka-start pa lang ng reversal trend. Yung mga identify natin later. Okay? So if that's the sentiment of the whole crypto space or what we call the mother coin, let's check yung mga mabibilis na currently on a higher market cap. Excuse me. One is actually our Ethereum. Okay, why is it the Ethereum is because it actually made an all-time high and doing a very, very strong uptrend. So, isa ngayon napakaganda na ginagawa ng Ethereum. That's why as after Bitcoin, this is my second favorite in terms of the higher market cap. Bakit masahil yung higher market cap? Fan din ako ng mga mabibilis umangat, pero mga hindi masyadong nakatutok na nag-overnight na trade. Hindi masyadong buy and hold and everything, no? Na hindi ka masyadong stress sa tingin ng tingin, na hindi ka na makatulog. Pa-check ka ng doktor. May pinost ako, nakita nyo? Na, Doc, paano mapapatulog nito? I-delete mo muna yung mga trading apps mo. Kasi pag mga doon ka sa mga Shiba, yung mga talagang mga low market cap, talagang mapapatingin ka once in a while. Pero pag nakatingin ka sa mga ganitong trend ng mga higher market cap, chill ka na lang kasi sakto lang yung galaw nila. So I really expecting this one, the from the breakout point up to this area is our major resistance. As long as this is holding, we can expect this na we can expect this trend to really make a very very fast. Look at the degree. Look at the degree how fast it want to go there. So that's my actually my insight here. That's why this is my second favorite. Bumunta to ng isang MA20 or even consolidate above this area here, magkaroon ng consolidation dito. Bibili ako eh. Sa itsura niya. Another nag-iba yung favorite ko na kasi after the crypto, after the Ethereum, na my next favorite is BNB. Okay? At bakit siya naging next favorite after dyan? Because after kasi nitong bullish na to, talagang ang lakas ng supply zone na area na to. Itinagos niya on higher pace. So the question is right now, since dito siya nagkaroon ng super sell-off, it can actually do the same thing. Depende kung gaano niya kalakas aatakihin yung pataas. So it's definitely gonna be a factor kung how long it's gonna stay here. How long or how short with the proper candlestick pattern dyan. No? So far, I wanna be safe. Nagtanggal na ako dito ng mga $400. Yung profit ko dito, tanggal ko na nabawasan profit. Inilipat ko. The question is, saan na nilipat? Before, nagkaroon kasi ng catalyst on the Elite Club si ADA. No? It was reported in our catalyst in ADA. Here, I'm gonna list you out there, no? Alright, there you go. So, ito yung isa kong tiningnan, Ethereum XRP. Yan. So, dito ko nilipat yung binili ko ng ang tama dito? BNB. O, yung profit ko sa BNB, nilipat ko dito because it was, if you're part of the Elite Club, andito na siya, sinabi na dito, ano pa? Yan. If you're part of the Elite Club, it was mentioned already here, November 4, the buy zone was already filtered because of the catalyst and before it's even breakout. Yan. Kita nyo? Before siya nag-breakout, namimili na po kami sa November 4 pa lang. So, inilipat ko. I had an opportunity to sell BNB and nilagay ko dito. Dito kami bumili. So, roughly, I'm already up by 22% at one point. No? So, that's one. So, yung mga habol pa dito, may opportunity. But, tingnan natin in the next few days. Same with the Bitcoin. Kung magkaroon to ng konting consolidation at the highs, mag-breakout si Bitcoin at the highs or even Ethereum, baka sumunod to mga to. Baka sumunod siya dire-diretso. But right now, this is for me, this is a reversal na to. Coming to attack this supply zone here. Very, very significant supply zone there. Kailangan nito mag-build up pa dito kasi ang ganda na ng push niya eh. So, naghihintay lang to ng follow-up buys. Okay, as long as this area is holding, then hold na rin tayo. Hold na rin tayo for this one. Napakagandang technicals. No? It shows. Followed by fundamentals. The fundamentals was actually cascaded in the Elite Club. If you're part of the Elite Club, then makikita mo yung mga fundamentals na yan. Even, I'm not an expert in crypto, but I can receive some insider there from our information insights. Followed by XRP. Okay? The problem with XRP, kaya konti lang nilagay ko, because roughly the volatility is trying to increase on in uptrend mode, but ang laki ng demand zone or the resistance that it needs to pursue. So yung atake niya ng degree of the trend, medyo nakukulangan ako. But I did bought on this area. Okay? Pero ngayon, since nandyan siya, it's possible it can play around here about 5 days to 7 days at here, or kung bilisan yan, better. Okay, better. For now, I would not buy that one. Because look at this, look at that candle, look at that one, look at these areas, no? Medyo hindi pa, kung dumagdag ka, better dito eh. Kung ngayon, wag na muna kasi everything's still on the top profit taking. So possible yan, konting angat, bagsak, tsaka yung degree niya hindi masyadong mabilis compared sa 2 na pinakita natin kanina, no? All right, so that's my initial run through sa mga crypto. So definitely, kung titingnan mo sa line of thoughts ko, ADA is one thing that you need to check out. Ethereum is number 2. Ethereum is number 1. ADA is number 2. Baliktad. ADA is number 1 kasi mas mataas yung pwede niyang ilipad. Ethereum is medyo mataas na magdadagdag ka na lang. No? Ayan, isa dyan. Let's check the other low market cap based on the market cap na mga gustong-gusto nyo. You can type on the chat box right now. So, tingnan natin si Shiba kasi si Sher, siya yung pinakaunang-unang pumunta sa atin na nagsabi, no, Shiba USDT. Tether ba tayo o Shiba Inu? Tanda. Okay. Punta tayo dito. Balik natin to. Okay, so far, it's actually doing your symmetrical triangle, or it's actually building a support on your trend line, short-term trend line natin. But the problem here is hindi natin sa basta sasakyan without a confirmation. Kasi bakit? The problem here as well with Shiba Inu in general, okay? There is a buy zone here, but medyo mix pa yung emotions niya between selling and buying. So right now, ang gusto nating makita is itawid muna dito yan before tayong mag-trigger. Kasi mangyari dito, based on experience, pack, retest, then boom. Okay, or back, dito, boom. Okay, we want to confirm trading above this area and break out on that area. So at least ngayon, nasa support siya. If you're in a high-risk trader, pwede mo siyang pasukin. No? Pwede mo siyang tingnan kung ganun yung ipakibigay niya sa'yo. Pwede mo siyang i-try, i-test buy on this support. But so far, hindi muna ako. I want the confirmation on this. Gusto ko muna ng confirmation. Confirmation na natin sa breakout. Pero nagpapakita sa senyales na possible because of the volume, because of the trend, because of the lower highs. Yan ang isang pinapakita na Shiba Inu. It's still good. It's still on my radar. Nasa radar ko pa din yan. On my account. Here. How about Katecoin? Katecoin. Katecoin. Ano ba yan? Wrap up BNB. Pancakes ka, no? Pancake ko, no? Pero, no? Wala nang iba, eh, no? Okay. Ito ba yan? Dito, no? Ano-ano ng Katecoin natin, guys? Anong ticker? Symbol. Ticker, Katecoin. Coinbase Global. Katecoin. Pakit-type na lang, habulin natin yan. LRC. LRC, what is this? Crypto as well? Is this the crypto? Alright. LRC is 25% today. Okay, ingat dito guys because despite na ganun siya, look at the consolidation, medyo maliit lang to. There is a markup happen around this area. Wag na to. There is a 3 large volume. Wag nyo na tong sabayan, though the volume is increasing. What I wanted to check out, lagay ko to. Meron ba to sa eToro, guys? Wala. Meron, wala eh. Sayang. Honestly, gusto ko yung mga ganito. Pero ang gusto ko mangyari dito is magkaroon siya ng ganitong klase dyan sa taas. Ulitin niya itong ganitong itsura, doon tayo papasok. For now, wag na lang muna kasi delikado na yan sa'yo. Possible na dito na angat na yan. Hanggang dyan lang yan. No? Hanggang umangat man yan, magtutusok na yan. Mga 8% bagsak na yan. Isa yan. Okay? Alright, tingnan natin si Link USD. Actually, ganda rin ni Link. No? Ang ganda rin ni Link. Yan, meron na tayong chart kay Link. Ganda na ipinakita niya. Hindi ko na to hahabulin kasi the whole sentiment is still there. Pero ganda, no? And this is the breakout. That's a breakout already. Honestly, pwede pala, no? Pwede pala tong pasukin. Okay? Kung mga high risk dyan, pwedeng pasukin yan. Kasi ako pa, pumasok ako around this candle eh. Diyan ako pumasok. I think here. Tingnan ko saan ako bumili. Tingnan mo, let me check saan ako bumili kay Link. I think bumili ako ng Link eh. Aha, wait lang. Asan yung link natin ha? Ayun. Asa ba ako pumasok dito? 9:13. Nasaan tayo 9:13? Tingnan ko, trade review ko anong naging decision ko doon. 9:13. September pa pala. Okay. Tama ba? 9:13. October. Ano ba? Teka lang ha. 9:13. Ano ba to? 13. September 13. September 13 pa pala ako pumasok dito. Reversal period. Tama ba? Or here? Dito. 10:13. 10:13 ba? Around this siguro dito. Ayun. Possible ba ito? Or dito? Itong breakout. So, nag-draw down pala ako. Dito ako nagdagdag. Anyway, kung magdadagdag tayo kay Link ngayon, pwede siya if may position base ka dito. Pero kung ngayon ka palang bibili, wag muna natin kunin to. Kasi first, kaka-breakout lang niya. Baka matulad niya ni Bitcoin. No? Sumilip lang, then bumalik. No? Kasi ganun nangyari sa Mothercoin. So, kung sumunod man yan, better, pwede ka magdagdag if may position ka sa ilalim. Pero kung ngayon ka palang bibili, the sentiment is take profit yung mga high market cap, baka sumunod yung mga ipit ka pa, no? So wag muna, kakasilip lang, which is a good indication that it wants to go higher psychologically. Okay? How to be a unit member? Okay, I'm gonna post it here. It's actually on our website here. Ayan. So what you can have in the Elite Club, guys, it's very, very incentive. Kasi every month, meron tayong nire-report. Okay? On your stock market, trading signals, 90% win rate trade calls. Masyadong, ang tawag dyan, yung masyadong, parang scam pakinggan, 90%. Pero we have statistics to back it up. And even performance to back it up. Yan, okay? You can check it out. Which is true, which is true. I can if someone would ask, I can give you a result. Alright? How about the other LTC? Ganda rin yung LTC no? Honestly, ganda rin yung LTC. Polygon on Polkadot. Sige, let's check at Polygon. Okay. Minsan na, ayun, ito ba? Polygon US dollar yan. Okay. Ayan. No, ito, Polygon, si Matic. Alright, this is your Matic here. It made the breakout on this area here. Then, it's trying to, ito. Yan, ito maganda. Okay. Bakit siya maganda? Ayan, okay. Now, alright, ito, okay. Okay, the rule of the supply zone and the rule of the demand zone, when you make a breakout and retested on the pinakamalapit, that's the powerful bounce of the like a retest. So what we want to happen here, even it's trading below your EMA moving average 25, is if magkaroon to nag-close ng green candle tonight, test buy na tayo for this one. Okay? You just need to have a room for growth. Yung room for cut loss or mga dyan, lakihan mo na, mga 11%. Pag crypto kasi talaga dapat lakihan mo eh. Pero if mga average lang yan. Kung bibili ka, mag-close sa dyan, 6%, 8%, pwede. No? As long as tomorrow, consideration, na mag-close a green candle on this range, test buy na yan bukas. No? Test buy na to tomorrow. Confirmation natin is magkaroon to ng good candlestick within this range on a green candle the next following day. So, kailangan to lagay. Meron na ako nito. I think meron na ako nito. Yan. Talagay ko na yan sa aking listahan. Okay, so wala pa ako nito eh. Gusto ko kumpletuhin yung mga crypto ko, no? Ang ginagawa ko kasi guys, just to give you like, hindi kasi ako fundamentally believer ng crypto in general because for me, it's still a bubble based on history.com crash. So what I'm doing is, I'm trading and yung profit, I'm in buy mode ko. Example, I'm gonna buy $500. And then umangat siya ng tuktok. Tatanggalin yung kapital, ilipat ko sa ilalim. Iiwan ko yung profit. So, ganun nangyayari sa akin. So, kung titignan mo dyan, I've been buying XRP in and out since last year. Ang dami kong posisyon dyan, profit na lahat. So, wala akong kapital dyan, kahit masunog tong buong account na to, okay lang kasi lahat profit. I've been doing that over and over again. I call that free asset strategy. So, kung titignan mo dyan, yan, dire-diretso, sige, lahat yan libre. Okay? Kung libre siya na, hindi ako naglagay kahit mga magagandang market cap. Kasi rule number 1 in investing, do not lose money. Diba? Rule number 1. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. So, pag hindi ako masyadong skeptical ako in a sense, based on what I found in the history, okay, this play safe. Use your skills, no? So, I'm doing that. Nag-ipon ako ngayon ng BNB. Yung mga profit na yan, yung tinatanggal ko na lang. ADA, pare-pareho lang yan. 1,000, tingnan mo, 1,000%. Kasi profit. Lahat to staking and mga profit na siya. So, lahat yung libre. So, that's why wala pa akong Matic. Ginagagawin ko yan. Gagawin ko yan. Mag-iipon ako dyan. Okay? Let's check. Other one. LTC dash. Tingnan natin sa LTC. Alas yung buong aggressive account ko naging crypto na no? Ito si LTC. Si LTC guys, pinabili ko na to sa inyo dito pa lang, pinabili, sabi ko, guys, bilhin nyo na to kasi magbe-breakout to possible. So, nag-follow up siya ngayon. Let's look for a next resistance for this one. O, tinamaan na yung resistance ko. Huwag na tayong bilhin nito. Ayan, Okay. Okay, nasa resistance range ko na siya. Let's wait for it to consolidate above this area, then bibili tayo. LTC natin. So, mga walang LTC pa dito, dito yung buy range natin. Hintay muna natin yung price action to go there. Let's wait for the price to go with us. Then, saka natin siya pasukin. For now, it's very in my resistance. We wanted to consolidate before tayo bumili para dire-diretso tayo dyan sa taas. So, well, may LTC din ako. Dalawa pa nabili ko dyan. So, maghahanap ako ng position dyan. But not now. Not now. Okay, possible yan. Since ano na yung mother coin, possible yan mag-consolidate. Kung hindi, meron tayong nakasakay. So, hindi natin na dyan. Dash. Si Dash, this Dash. Uy, ganda rin ni Dash. Galing nga. We actually saw a reversal also. Okay, maganda rin yung pinakatang reversal nito. We actually saw also a major reversal here. So, ang daming major reversal nangyayari dito kay Dash. So, right now is we're gonna look for a position na. So, we have a trend reversal. We have a good supply form here. A demand form here. Very, very good consolidation after this run period. Let's wait for it to touch a resistance. Then, wait for another entry. So, maganda na to. We're gonna wait for an entry na lang on this. Wag na lang natin nito pero let's wait for this one na, no? Uy, malayo pa pala to, no? So, ang gusto natin mangyari dito for Dash is same natin kay Link. Let it ride first kasi possible umangat man yan dito, patatamaan yan. Kasi kung yung tayo bibili, look yung magiging profit mo lang dyan tapos yung risk mo below this one, ganyan, no? So, lugi ka pa. So, itay mo na lang siya bumaba. Ayan, para kahit papaano, mag 1:1 ka man lang, or ipay mo siyang bumaba dito, mag 7:20 ka. So, umangat man yan, okay lang. Alam mo may tatama ang resistance eh. So, alam na nating reversal, ilalagay na natin sa ating listahan, di ba? Yun yung gagawin natin dyan. Okay? So, may reversal tayo dito. Isa sa mga watch list, ipaprioritize natin during live. Okay, let's check tayo. Kate Pasali speak. Okay. Kate. Ang ano pala? Kate, okay. Kate, ito ba? Saan yung Kate coin ba? Ano bang? Ito kasi yung Kate coin eh. Gusto ko malaman yung ticker na malapit niya guys para makita natin. No? So, help me out. Wala akong, yung hindi ko naasikaso yung Binance ko. XLM. Alright, XLM may be a follow-up on this one. We actually saw a very bullish divergence here. Oh. May bullish divergence na follow-up. So, tingnan natin to. Okay, may tinamaan ng ating ano niya. So, alright, ito maganda. Pag ito nagkaroon ng green candle in the next, possible kasi mag-pullback pa yan, isa pa no? Pag nagkaroon ng green candle on this area, kahit nasa resistance yan, bilhin na natin. Okay, we can see a push na siya, no? So, magkaroon dito ng red candle, this area, tapos magkaroon ng follow-up green candle, kahit near the resistance, bilhin na natin. Kasi it means it's really wanted to go up. Because why? Nag-breakout siya with the volume, selling, trying to break on the volume, magpapahinga ng konti, then ipupush yung presyo. So, isa na rin natin itong titingnan. Another perspective here is this is what we call the reverse head and shoulder pattern. So, reverse head and shoulder pattern, most likely, yan. Tapos, this is the neckline. So, if we want to do an anticipated trading here on this area, this is the neckline. It's trying to break the neckline already. And several times already, no? 1 and 2, trying to break on the third time. So another rule in price action, the more it tries to break out, the more the resistance is gonna be weakening. Another rule, okay? Another rule on that. The more it actually tries to break, the more it's weakening. Okay? Alright, sana pwede pa papanood to after. Yes, this is recorded here. You can play it back. It's 9:53, 10 minutes before. Dami natin sana, no? Sayang. Tingnan natin ADA. Tapos tayo kay ADA. Si ADA is we wanted to check muna si ADA, no? Kung ano tayo. File. Okay, this is a consolidation period pa. Let's wait a buy signal on the breakout here. Especially that's a moving average 200. Baka hindi pa yan mag-breakout. Baka bumalik pa yan dito. Maybe we can test buy here. Kung magkaroon ng breakout, another story. Lakas na resistance yan, no? Diba? So, yan. Isa yan. Okay. ADA, we're done. LTC, we're done. RIF USDT. Okay. This one, we're just waiting a green candle here. Then we can buy here. Meron ba dito sa eToro? Wala, no? We're just waiting for a green candle to confirm this buy for this one. If meron kayo nito, if magkaroon to ng green candle, please do aggressively buy on this one. That's what I call Russian Shuriken technique. So Russian Shuriken technique is a very, very high probability trade on my masterclass. It was tested in the past 12 years. Okay, in different asset class. Stocks, Forex. Okay? Ito yung pattern na yon, no? A pattern na to. Pattern and the technique, no? Russian Shuriken technique namin tawag dyan, no? And also, this is what we call pattern of a very sikat na pattern. This is what we call, okay, yan, no? Double cup possible, no? Yan, no? Consolidation, tapos usually it forms 4 to 8 to 12 weeks. Yan, 8 to 12 weeks na yan, no? 153 days. Oh, ito, baka lumipad to. Oh, baka lumipad to. Confirmation na lang ng green candle ang hinihintay natin dito. Meron ba to sa Etoro? Wala. Okay, so watch this. For those Binance user, there's a link there. Please do create a Binance and try to trade this one. If magkaroon ng green candle confirmation in the next few days, ranging from this area, please do. Ganda nitong pattern na to. Promise. Nakikita ko na to. Consolidation dyan. Baka possible nga to. Ewan ko, fundamentals ito, pero technicals, napakaganda. No? So, yan. Okay. There you go. Dito, CRV, Matic, we're done at that. Mana. Okay. Mana USD. Okay, Mana USD. Ayan, naganda rin yung consolidation. Malakas din siya. Alright, isa din to, guys. I wanted to trade below here. Kung pumunta dyan, then magkaroon ng green candle, then we can buy it. For now, on a 4-hour chart, it's trying to consolidate. It's a very, very good price action. Okay. Test buy, not yet. In the next 4 hours, kung magkaroon ng green candle within this range, pwede natin to i-test buy on that higher time frame. Isa din to na dapat nasa listahan nyo na kasi nasa listahan ko na. Nandiyan na yan. Pwede pa to i-momentum trade. Kung titingnan natin on a daily chart, malakas din. Parang Shiba Inu yung follow-up nito. Tingnan natin, ha. Pero mas gusto ko siya bumaba dito. Mas gusto ko dito siya magganyan. Kasi nagre-resist na yung momentum niya. Kung dito siya dyan, pwede. No? Pero for now, 4-hour chart test buy, we can do that. We can do that if there's gonna be a green candle on the next 4 hours breaking out on this area. Okay, on the next 4 hours. Isa yan, ha. Live here on Facebook. Yan. Matic, Riff USD, Can, Mana, TRX USD. Okay. TRX USD. There you go. Alright, for TRX. Yun, meron tayo ng breakout nito, guys. We are nearing the ultimate all-time high here with a consolidation. Alright, good. Okay, since ang dito, in the next 2 days, possible if magkaroon to ng follow-up green parang feeling ko hindi eh. Okay, magkaroon to ng isang red and green candle, pwede tayo magdagdag or if walang base, pwede kayong mag-try sa buy nito. Maganda rin kasi yung technical siya nagkaroon ng recent, saan dito? Tingnan natin arrow. Okay. Ayan, ang buy natin dyan. Okay, nagkakaroon ng resistance kasi malapit na to sa supply area. So, since mabilis na yung tinatapak niya, tayo natin magkaroon ng gantong confirmation. Then, we can buy. Okay, for that one. Yeah, there you go. CNC, Dogecoin. Let's go to Dogecoin. Alright, Dogecoin is also trying to go to our buying areas. A test buy may be considered if mag-close dito tonight. Maybe considered, or it will be trading above this blue line. Above this blue line, it's trading there. It's holding there in the next few days. We can test buy on this one, meaning the price wants to go higher from the previous low. So, ito siya, no? Kino-consolidate niya. Kasi kung titingnan din natin dito on a trend line, yan, no? Nasa support pa nga. So, isa yan na consideration. Kung magkaroon yan ng green candle tonight, pwede natin test by consideration. If mag-trade siya below here, even the support trend, we can adjust our trend line like this. It's still on the support range. So, isa rin to. Dami natin kailangan tingnan, no? So, daming buy area, daming buy opportunity sa crypto space. Ingat na lang kayo sa amount. Ingat na lang kayo sa papasukin nyo na risk management nyo, no? Next natin is CHZ. Okay, ano to? CHZ Tether dollar. Okay. Alright, and this one, kung napapansin nyo dito, alright. Ako dito. Okay, dito ko na siya bibilin. I'm gonna buy it here na. For me, this is not a momentum anymore. Okay, hindi na. But tingnan natin, pataas pa siya. Dito ko na bibili sa support range or hintay ko yung breakout. Yan o. Kung pupunta siya dito, possible, pwede siya. If magkaroon to ng breakout na this range, honestly, kahit dito lang, pwede to. So, ihintay mo na lang siya umangat dyan. Kasi medyo hilaw na. 11% up. On the 11%, pwede mo siya i-test buy. Pero kung conservative ka, on this range na lang. Okay? Kasi medyo ilang beses niya na, hindi niya kaya. Baka hindi pa mapilitan to si CHZ. Okay? Solana. Okay, Solana. Solana. Ayan. 10 o'clock na, ha? 10 o'clock na. Okay, Solana. Solana. Ito, maganda si Solana, guys. Ganda ni Solana din, no? Breakout. Okay, ganda. Okay. Ako, wala pa ako nito. Wala pa akong collection nito, eh. Nangongolekta ng crypto, eh, no? Okay, price action-wise, maganda yung pinapakita ni Solana. Yan, kita nyo to. Yan, no? Okay. What may happen to Solana in this format, no? Nag-breakdown siya dito na area. Okay? Breakdown siya dyan. Pag hindi niya binutas yan in the next few days, tapos na yung momentum niya. So, ang gusto nating mangyari kay Solana is mag-trade within this range, mag-consolidate dyan before to shoot another price up. Okay? Ayan, tingnan mo yung short-term strike through niya. Nagkakaroon ng resistance with your MA5. Gusto niyang pumunta mo. Pag pumunta dito, tingnan natin ulit. Pero for now, observe. Observe muna tayo kay Solana. Okay, pwede pa i-check VET USDT. Sure. Okay, VET supply zone. Okay. For VET, losing momentum na rin as well. Hitting that previous support. Turning resistance, consolidation here. Okay, check natin to if mag-trade dito. So same lang ng mga play ng iba. Sa to lang parang nakita ko yung riff yung pinakamaganda so far sa mga na-filter natin. We wanted to go back there. Yan. Alright, that. Last crypto, let's go to the stock market after. Yan. So again, our schedule for the crypto, since DST na tayo, 9 o'clock, 9:30 to 10 o'clock para we can prepare for the stock market. Okay. Itong maganda .USDT. Alright, so we wanted to patternize this one. Yan. Gusto natin mag-pattern na ulit niyan. Kita niyo yung pattern. No? Yan, no? So, nagkakaroon ng consolidation, choppy. Then, ganun ginagawa natin. Consolidation, choppy. Then, touch EMA 20, bilhin natin. At EMA 20 siya, nagta-touch, din doon din siya bilhin. No? So, pattern lang. Yan, no? So, supply zone is here. Resistance, trading on the higher form. So, tingnan natin kung saan siya pupunta. Okay? So, that's it for our crypto. So, again, if you wanted to check ng mga crypto din natin, kahit pa may crypto din dito, ha? Hindi lang to stocks. This one, no? Pakita natin. Saan yun? Wala aking ano. So, meron tayo dyan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga din dito natin. Binili. Okay. Okay, ano pa ito? Yan. So, despite na pababa yung market, medyo okay pa rin yung port. Still up by 2% because of those tayo dito. Okay, this is the Elite Club. Okay. So, tingnan mo dito. Pakita ko sa inyo kahit may dito. Like example, Bitcoin. Pakita ko sa inyo kailan namin binili si Bitcoin, guys. BTC. Yan. So, for the crypto lang, BTC, Bitcoin. Yan. Kasi dito, youth club ba to? Ay, di. Masterclass pala to. Sorry. Ayan, mali. Ito pala. Masterclass pala to. Dali. Eto, WIT club. Lit club. Elite club. Okay. 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 So, Bitcoin here. Oh, naglalag ako, guys. Ayan. So, if you want, meron dyan. Ano tayo to? Bitcoin, USD. Look at this, no? Okay. Bitcoin even nasa ano namin to, guys. Nasa indicator namin na binili. Si Bitcoin was actually filtered October 13 pa. So, meron na mga catalyst dyan. Lumabas na rin dito sa amin ng buy signal si ADA. Okay, si ADA here. November 4 recently. Okay, meron din lumabas na crypto si... Sino ba mga crypto na lumabas? LTC ata? Wait lang, check ko ha. Mga binili ko. Okay. O, iba, yun doon pa siya. Ethereum ba? May lumabas recently. Nakalimutan ko. Basta yung dalawang yun, lumabas na yan sa amin. Basta mga mother sa crypto. Then, kita mo dito guys, may mga buy opportunities yan na makikita nyo dito sa Elite Club. Please do check that one. Walang tapon dyan. Every information counts on the Elite Club. Check nyo yan. Alright, let's go to the stock market. Let's check where the market is right now. We've checked already the SPX. Let's have a review. It's 30 minutes before the market. At least before the market opens, we know now where saan yung mga kikunin natin or abangan natin. And that's the purpose of this one. Kasi later, pag-uusapan din natin later, ano yung pipiliin mo, no? Pag pare-parehong sector, pare-parehong trend. Yan, ituturo ko sa inyo tonight. Tingnan natin si SPX 500 here, how I decide things. Bakit nawala ang aking chart ni SPX 500? Okay. Tanggalin natin si club. Okay. So on the chat box, tingnan natin ito. Dami EOS. Yan. Check natin si EOS. Sige later. Pa-check po ng comp. Pwede pa-check VST. Tapos na tayo dito. Shiba. We're done at Shiba. PLTR, GRT, GMEA, IMRNS, OCGN. Okay. Let's check natin. Bilisan natin yan. Let's go first here. SPX 500. Wala aking chart kay SPX 500. Okay. Huwag natin ito tingnan. Tingnan natin ang sectoral analysis. Yan. Sectoral analysis on the way. Okay, there you go. Check natin ang sectoral analysis. Check natin reset chart. There you go. Okay. So, what's happening in this year? Alright, since cyclical is actually... Honestly, this year is still a commodity year, no? Still a commodity year because your technology stocks is overpriced. There's cyclical sector is still a bit balanced when it comes to the reopening of the market. Diba? The consumer is starting to rise up. So, nauna si energy stock malapit sa December. But masyado mataas na yan kasi it's very cyclical. If backward natin yan, si energy is always lagging behind the overall market. Kaya, pag kayo basta-basta mag-i-invest long term sa mga energy stocks. Kasi tingnan mo yung galaw compared to the other sectors. No? So, isa yan. Another one that we need to look into for this year is we're gonna zoom it in for technology. So, technology still is doing a catch-up on the last 3 months. Tingnan mo, the SPX 500 is your red line. If you're gonna pull it back further, your technology is still, no? Talagang gustong umangat ng todo. Followed by your consumer discretionary. Healthcare is another one. And your financial sector. So if we continue natin dyan within this month, August, September, October, kita nyo dyan, no? May room for angat pa talaga sa technology, followed by financials and consumer. So medyo talaga si consumer, si financial market and energy, ang tama dito, energy plus your technology is really the top pick quarter for this year, sectors for this year. Yeah, that's one. Okay, so for tonight, I can sense that everything's still on a verge of taking profits. Pag mga ganyang taking profit, nauna talaga dyan mga cyclical, no? Industrial, energy, no? Consumer, okay? Then, tingnan natin yung mga financial markets. Near the support si financial markets. Okay, as financial sector, no financial markets tuloy. Financial sector for tonight. Communication sector, wag na kayong kumuha, nag-resistance na. Dito, PP yan. Financial sector, ang tingnan natin. Technology, tingin pa rin tayo. And consumer discretionary, baka may momentum. So, yung mga check natin tonight together. We're done at that. So, let's go to our stocks. Tingnan muna natin. Alright, let's review. Yesterday, it was a very, very pleasant for some position trades I made. Like ACB. Okay. It's really doing a... Look at this, oh. Si ACB, nag-ano guys, oh. Nag-head... ang tawag din sa pattern na to. Gusto ko gawin na lang kaysa isabihin pa. Asan dito head and shoulders? Yan, ito. You know. May pinapakita siyang pattern na gusto niyang gawin. No? Tingnan natin kung itagos niya to. Itong verge na yan, ayusin natin ng konti. Yan, magagaling dito, architect. Mag-drawing yan. Ayan, no? So, it's doing a head and shoulder pattern and I plot this support here. It's really very strong support. So, tingnan natin to. Tinataka kasi niya yung MA100 so far, but it's very bullish na siya. Head and shoulder. Yan, no? Head and shoulder peke. Yan, tama, no? Also, in my port, tingnan natin ang iba dito. Si Jivo, gulo nito ni Jivo eh. Para hold na ako dito kay Jivo. Review natin si Jivo. Ayan. Hold na tayo kay Jivo dito. Talagang gusto niya nang atakihin tong short-term trend line na yan. Gusto na lang mag-breakout nito. Baka magtuloy-tuloy na to. Isa yan. Kaya binili ko siya. I'm also interested with PayPal because kahapon tinalo ko siya at 12% down. Okay, maybe tingnan ko ang magiging price action dito on the next 15 minutes. The overpriced position pa siya. Maybe I'm gonna cut loss if it's gonna trade below here. But for now, I'm gonna hold since maganda na yung position ko. Nasa MA20 na siya. So, baka to tonight, from $21 minus 5%, bumalik to ng mga $1 on the opening. I'm still good. Okay pa yan so far. So, ayan yung titingnan ko. CrowdStrike. Okay, sa inyo mga nag-hold ng CrowdStrike ng isang buong linggo, kasabay ko. Red, green tayo dito. Tingnan natin dito kung anong mangyayari kay CrowdStrike. Okay pa naman siya. Buhay pa naman. Huwag ka lang mag-close below dito para problema to kay CrowdStrike pag ginawa niya. Yan. Pero okay siya. Ganda yung pinapakita niya. Na still on the momentum. That's why I'm holding there. Let's go. I think that's it for me. May have $84. Tingnan natin kung ano mabili ko later. Okay. Let's check it out your stocks. Let's go to GRT. Okay, let's go to GRT. GRT is downtrend for me. Okay, yan. There's your downtrend here. Okay, I would not buy that one. Mas maganda lang bumili ako sa taas ng mga moving average. At least sentiment pa siya. Position trade, hindi pa siya created ng full blaze. I don't like that. Hindi siya, ano. Oh yeah, Nasdaq. Thank you for letting me know with this one. Salamat. Ayan. So, Nasdaq, same lang din. Ito yung mga retracement trades natin. So, dyan tayo mamimili if we want to anticipate or mag-start ng trend. So far, yan ang itsura niya. Okay, mga retracement period yan ito ni Nasdaq. So far, for the technology, it will definitely consolidate somewhere around these areas here. So ayan, malapit na. So tingnan natin to tingnan natin to sa Thursday or Friday. Kung may green candle, pwede tayong mamili. Not mismo sa Nasdaq, pwede sa Nasdaq, pero yung mga constituents or mga holdings on the US 100. Thank you for letting me know here. Okay, check natin si PLTR. Let's go to PLTR. Alright, please share this live, guys. Please share this live. Okay, baka may mga na dyan. PLTR, look at this, no? For PLTR, nako, babagsak siya. Anong nangyari to? Earnings report ba to? Okay, good na earnings report pero ibinagsak. Supply zone, PLTR. Alright. For PLTR, okay, honestly, pwede itong siluhin eh. Tingnan natin kung papasok sa Shidori. Sige, reviewin natin ng financial statements ni PLTR. I'm interested with this one because on the earnings report, it was so good but binagsak ng mga investors. So, tingnan natin ngayon ang financial reports. We still have 15 minutes before the market opens. PLTR, financial reports PLTR, Palantir, hindi binigay yung PEG ratio, walang PE ratio, so wala tayong makikita. Tingnan natin sa Morningstar. Tingnan natin sa technicals. PLTR. Okay, so talagang pabagsak siya. Momentum-wise. Alright. So technically, tingnan natin kung pwede nating isaluhin to sa supply zone, sa buy-in zone dito. Kung bumagsak pa siya further, pwede siguro tayo. Pwede akong sumalo dito later. 3% more on the opening. Baka pag nag 6% na drop, bibili ako. I just wanted to confirm as well kung in terms of the fundamentals, kung okay siyang saluhin. Usually mga ganyan, katulad to, no? Ganda ng earnings report, ibinagsak. Tapos dalawang follow-up na candle. Tingnan natin, technical-wise, pwede siyang i-trade eh. Nakikita ko siya, pwede siya i-trade. Fundamental-wise, gusto natin i-make sure para meron tayong kasabay na mga investors. Pwede kasi market manipulation. May mga ganyan, no? Makikita natin. So if you're gonna subscribe in the Morningstar, you need to pay like 2,000 to 5 per month. But if you're part of the Elite Club, you can just request. Okay, may kailangan pa pala akong mga request dito. Yan, no? Ganda. PLTR is a 22% discount on the fair value of 31 and the last close yesterday is 24.25. So definitely is a buy for me. Gusto ko lang makita ang other competition ng buong sector. PLTR is what sector? Technology package software, Sumo, 29% discount. Economic mode is narrow, none, and narrow. At least sa iba, none siya. Alright, let's go to other competition data. Sana meron ditong PEG ratio. Please lang. Price to earning, price to value, large growth, small value, small growth. Price to sale, price to book value. Let's check the other fundamentals. Parang gusto ko to ah. Meron na ako nito pero free asset. Meron ako sa kanya, free asset. Binili ko siya February pa. So, tinirade, tinanggal yung profit. Ito, recent ko lang to binili. Nag-down pa nga. Nung June. June pa to, nga. July. Free asset na rin pala to. So, everything is free asset na sa kanya. So, libre ko na siya. Mag-i-entry, re-entry ba ako? Hindi. Okay. Tingnan natin other aspeto. Okay, on net income, pangit last year. Ba't kulang to, no? Price to book value is 22. Uy, pala sa price to book value, guys, babagsak siya doon, no? Sa price to book value niya, oh. Doon siya babagsak. Sa book value mismo. Tapos 22% discount. Tingnan natin ng cash flow. Negative, negative, improving, improving. Not quite. Pangit yung itsura nila. Tingnan natin ng working total asset, income statement. Negative. Pangit, no? Pangit din. Parang rest ng konti. Pero babagsak siya sa book value niya. 22. Supply area pa. Sige. Di-decide natin later. Tingnan natin. Well, let's look. Paalala nyo sa akin to ha. If it's dropped around 6%, let's try to assess later. Kasi tatamaan yung moving average 200. Very, very quick points. So, isa yan na mga gusto natin makita later. Alright. Sorry, tagal tayo doon. Gusto ko siya makita eh. Okay, let's go to Tesla. Tesla is definitely a sell already. Definitely a sell. So, magkaroon man yan ng bounce rate, it's gonna be at the outlook for my Tesla. So, this one, kung hindi siya nag-bounce ito, most likely ganito yan. Adjust natin. Yan. Ayan. So, kung magkaroon to ng bounce later, laki ng kandila nga, oh. Baka nga, ano. Lagyan natin ng konting Fibonacci para makita nyo ang mga ano niyan. Dito pa nga. Dito pa nga possible. Sa major. Yan. Yan. So, definitely, kung magkaroon to ng bagsak dyan, baka dito pa yan mag-bounce. Ingat dyan kasi baka i-gap down pa siya. Yan. So, this one, bounce na to. Like, if ikaw, naipit ka na, tapos masyado na malaki yung losses, average down ka dito, tapos recovery trade ka dyan, hanggang benta ka dito near. At least kahit pa paano, mabawasan yung losses mo. Lalo na pag ipit kayo, bumibili sa taas. This is my help for you, friend. Buy at 978. At least kung magkaroon pa ng succeeding na bagsak to si Tesla, it can bounce until this B area here before it close the gap here. So that's your bounce. It's gonna do a bounce trade. I'm definitely sure about it. It's a matter of where and when, no? So yan, okay? At may iniwang gap dyan, pwede pa mag-open to. So you can do a recovery trade, sell it there. So yan lang. Kailangan lang medyo kay konti kang skills to do that. Lalo na pag ipit, no? Alright, let's go to PLTR. We're done at that. ACB, we're done at that. Let's go to NEO. Okay, NEO made, alright. NEO made a reversal trend, but because of the earnings report as well, nagkaroon ng emotional sell-off. Alright, for this one, pati yung mga magagandang companies nagsa-sell off pag ano, no? Tingnan natin nga, balik. Gusto ko maganda rin eh. Tingnan natin Finbiz ulit. 10:20 before we go there. Tingnan natin ang Finbiz again. Okay. PL, ano yan? Ano yan? NEO? Real-time quotes, advanced chart tools. Mag-subscribe nga tayo dyan. Peg ratio, wala din, no? Ang hirap naman ito mga ganyan. Mga kulang-kulang. Tingnan natin dito. NEO ADR, China. China market. Interesting din. Kasi bumili ako technical eh. Naglagay ako dyan 5 recently eh. NEO. Naglagay ako dito recently, NEO. Green na yan eh. Isang buy ako dito, tapos the rest is buy signal. So nag-accumulate ako because of the China sentiment. Ayan, wala din, no? 6% premium. Mahal pa siya. Okay, tingnan din natin dito financials. Mga EV, mga growth stocks, you know? Tingnan natin. Starting peto sila. At least normalize ang ilang income statement is doing good from a negative. Their cash flow is doing good, going positive. Their debt is lessening as well. That's good already for the past 3 years. So good. Book value 16. We're close at ito book value is 16. Price to book value 16. Currently trading at 41. Okay. Book value 16. All right. PLTR. Yan. Good. So for now, tingnan natin ang price action nito. I want it to hold there. Kung hindi mag-hold dyan, maybe I'm gonna cut loss some. But definitely still, the trend is still intact. On a short term. Yan. Mga may position ako dyan. So kailangan natin tingnan yan. Let's go to GSAT. Let's go to GSAT here. GSAT. Okay. GSAT. GSAT is currently wanted to go on a breakout, but it did not so far. Okay, let's wait for a breakout on this level or this drawing here. Trading again a retest there, then tingnan natin ulit for GCAP. Blue, let's go to blue. Naalala ko to, tinrade natin to si blue. Hoy, buti na ibenta ko doon, no? Okay, ito sinasabi ko guys. So we bought, if you can remember, no, ang ganda ng price action ni blue. Yung mga sumabay, we bought here. We added here, we sold here. Si blue, before the drop. Kaya minsan guys, better talaga to be sure. Once magkaroon ng fill the gap, tapos hindi mo kilala yung kumpanya, tapos hindi stable yung kumpanya, sell. Benta nyo. Magbawas kayo. No? Katulad yan, bawas kayo. Nag-fill the gap, oh. No, hindi natin na-review yung fundamentals ito, ba't nag-gap down. Eh. So, nag-fill the gap, then bumagsak ulit. So, tingnan natin yan on the 1 hour perspective. Hindi pa to tradable for me. Tingnan natin kung magkaroon ng breakout dito. Tingnan natin. For now, wala muna. Okay. Alright. There's a question here. Kailan po kaya ang penny stock season? Na-discuss na sa Elite Club. Ako lang sasabi sa'yo. Sinabi rin namin sa Elite Club. Nag-aabang na po kami. Sinabi na. We already know. Meron na kaming signal kung kailan siya. So, mapapansin mo yan. Pag nakikita mo yung mga stocks ko, malalaki na nag-i-invest na ako sa mga, like, nagdadagdag na ako sa mga penny stocks. Mapapakikita mo sa port ko. Pag may extra ako, pag wala, nandun sa kabila. So, subscribe in the Elite Club. If the Elite members, confirm. I-confirm nyo na ito, papakita ko na lang para okay. It's backup by data. It's actually reported yesterday. May live recorded doon. Okay. Excited din ako doon honestly. Yan. Lagyan natin ng cover para makita nila. Yesterday was definitely a very good discussion with the Elite members. Yan. Okay, I'm gonna give you one siguro na slide for this one. Okay. Alright, let me just scroll it down further. Okay. Lagyan natin dito ha. Okay. Bibigyan ka ng hint. Ayan. Ayan. Meron ng information yan sa Elite Club. Kita mo dito. Ayan, medya. Kahapon na report ka Elite Club. Okay? Ayan, meron dyan. Yesterday, it was the report of the Elite Club. So, we've been doing that. I'm just gonna give you one example of how what we are doing inside the club for you guys, no? I'm just gonna give you the September report and the October report in just 2 slides. Then you can appreciate what we are doing. Possible you can appreciate what we have in the club. Una, okay, we actually already know that it's a buying season by September at this particular date because of the statistics we have. We actually know as well that on the Elite Club that it's gonna be a buying of the semiconductor. Kaya yung mga sa amin, maraming AMD, Nvidia, mga kumita na dyan because pinakita na sa Elite Club yan. No? I'm gonna just give you one example here on the club. Okay. This is the October report. This is the October report. We studied the 3 semiconductor. We studied the whole ETF of the semiconductor. We also study that substantial growth in year over because of the lack of supply made a shortfall of the semiconductor. And it in the club as well, guys, just to make you appreciate it. I even make a buy signal there on Nvidia and AMD before it ran out around 50% from the top, no? So October 6 'yon. October 26, sabi ko bumili pa kayo. Kasi may nilabas na report about earnings ng AMD. Tinamaan hanggang 159. Hanggang TP 159 area si AMD. Look for anti-precision today, October 26. Okay, that's what we have. That's what we have in the Elite Club, no? Look at that, no? We actually make people to buy here and even made the 23% if sinunod nila yung buy signal. Ako, bumili ako sa X1 ko. X1 na isa kong account. Another one that you wanted to appreciate is the healthcare sector. Healthcare sector. Okay, yeah. This one, no? Hama dito. Alright, nakita nyo to? Ayan, nakita nyo yan? Si Natgas. Okay, Natgas is one. This is October 8. Tingnan mo si Natgas. Tinatrade namin si Natgas, guys. XNG, October October. Okay, October. This is October of Natgas. October 1 is here. September. This one, that one, September 21, the report. Look at Natgas when it was buy signal sa Elite Club. Yan, tingnan mo. September 23, it was reported on this range. Tinamaan, lagpas pa. From that range to this range, 33%. Kita nyo? So, definitely, ano siya, magandang ano siya. Okay, so 1 minute. I don't want to barge about it, but that's the edge that we have in the Elite Club report. So, we've been doing that since last year. That's why this sport is up by almost 500%. Doing live. I started with 1,500. Trade. I'm not making this copying kasi yung drawdown nito nasa 5%, 6%, 7%. But this year, it's almost 100% na siya. So, trade with over 1,500 trade. Kasi in and out eh. In and out tayo together with this sport eh. So, together tayo dito. Sa dami pa naman account ko. 1,400 trades. Dami, no? 400. So, sa inyo lahat galing yan. Okay, yan. This pre-market, how to join. There's also a link there. How to join the Elite Club. Okay, let's do tayo. PayPal. Tingnan natin si PayPal. Mag-open ng market. Gusto ko makita para if just in case may mga ano dyan, makasabay pa kayo. Yesterday, I bought this one. Ito yung gusto ko mangyari. Uy, ganda ng PayPal, guys. Tingnan natin kung mag-breakout siya dito in the next 5 minutes. Okay, tingnan natin kung magka-breakout. Ganda na pinapakita niya, guys, no? Increasing volatility there. Making higher lows. Pag mag-breakout to, kung may pera ako, magdadagdag ako. Ayan. Ayun, meron na. Tingnan natin, ops. Next 5 minutes, check natin yan. Okay. Next natin, Jimea, downtrend pa to. Wag nyo muna itong tingnan. Pababa pa to. Consolidation pa siya. Oh. Nag-build pa ng lows. May tingnan natin kung may iniwan na gap. Parang wala naman so far. Downtrend pa talaga. Kasi kung titignan mo talagang latak eh. Oh. Latak talaga. Opak. Talagang distribution stage. Tingnan natin to, baka dagdag ako PayPal. Baka masyadong risky na rin. Tingnan natin. Last money ko. Gusto ko makita si PayPal. FBRR. Yeah, sa ba hindi ko nakita dyan? New R. Here. Uy, grabe to. Technology information with a gap up because of the earnings report. Tindi, no? Grabe, no? Ganda rin. Okay, if I were you, magbebenta na ako. Magbebenta na ako dito. If bibili pa lang, I don't want that because if iangat kasi baka ibagsak din niya yan, ganyan, 27% sa'yo sa opening. Basak yan, sakit sa ulo niyan, bro. Okay, baka mapabay na ako nito. This one. Cut below 2%. Cut below this one, 3%, 15%. Pwede na to. Bibiling ko na to. Okay. Uy, ba't di pumasok? Wala, close pa? Gap down PLTR. Yes, tingnan natin PLTR. Nako, tingnan natin. Hindi pumupursit yung kandila. 2 minutes to go. Ayun, okay. 15% cut loss for PayPal is good. $500. I'm gonna trade this one. 15% of 84, 816, 24, $24. Kaya natin 26. Yan. Okay na tayo dyan. Okay, let's go to PLTR. Let's go back to PLTR. PLTR, gap down at 6%. Gusto natin 6% ang i-gap down ni PLTR. Tingnan natin dito, magkaroon to ng bounce dito. Okay, malapit na tayo. Tingnan natin, pwede rin kayo pumasok. Baka magbenta ako iba, saluhin ko to. Okay. Alright, so within the buy range sa PLTR, what we want to happen is magkaroon ng green candle in the next 5 minutes. One technique that I'm doing is anticipating the bottom. Okay, where is it usually? Tagay natin to. So, nandun na sa buy range natin. Here, I'm gonna test it out. Naku, layo pa. Layo pa nito. Lagpas na. Layo pa. So, most likely dito, possible magkaroon ng buy opportunity there. The next 5 minutes, kailangan gusto natin mag-close si PLTR above there. Ayan na, meron nga, oh. Ayan. Bounce traders. Ready to go in. Okay. Tingnan natin dito, emotional market. Okay, what we want to happen is PLTR will close above this area here. If it did, try to do a buy trade na dito. Yan, okay. So on the 1 minute chart, usually pag ganito, micro level yan. We want to make sure on the mic, this one is itawid niya to. I-resistance na yan, ibalik na dyan, at play here. Then, iangat ng ganun. So, crucial tong red na to. Kasi ito, tsaka yan. EMA 5 and EMA 10. Ganyan, baka si biglang boom. Ganun pa. So, ako ngayon, bibili na ako. Nasa buy range ko na siya eh. Wala na akong pera, pero maghanap akong pera dito. Magbabenta ako. Masarap din. Wait lang. Palaruin natin yan. Sabayan natin yung mga kontsaba natin. Masarap yan. Pero pagkada kasi yung position na eh. Parang gusto ko ibenta sa TSM. Wait lang ha. Para ibabalik na lang ako kay TSM. Consolidate na sa TSM eh. Nakapasok na kasi ako kay TSM eh. Wala akong mabenta guys. Teka, ano ba yung mga nasa resistance? ETH no? Ina ko, makabenta muna ako. Lakas pa kasi. Ayun, pinapatrade nyo ako. Ayoko mag-trade eh. Wala akong pera. Ayoko mag-deposit. Pero sarap to. Masarap na to. Because, ayan na yun. Kung bumili kayo, guys, you're already green. So, nasa buy point na siya. Ito na. Ito confirmation na on the next few minutes. Okay, what we want to happen is it stays on here level. If you're gonna buy now, you have a risk of 3%. That's good. Okay na to. Yan na yung sasabi ko sa bumabagsak ng, nakita nyo guys, bumagsak ng 6%, sabi natin, abangan natin, on the 6%, buy tayo. Look at on a 1-minute chart, tumatama na sa red candle as we expected it. So, if you bought on that candle here, you already have like 2%, no? So, tingnan natin. So, kung yung mga bumili, top number 8 naman on the chat box there para makita natin yan later. Okay, have a decent cut loss, mga 3% if you're gonna buy now. Pwede na yan. Kasi baka magtuloy-tuloy pa to. Ito isang fear natin, no? Mag-momentum pa siya papunta rito, then cut loss. Yan. Yan. 1-minute chart. Tingnan natin dyan. Okay? Rule of supply zone lang. Rule of supply zone. We wanted to check on the last bounce. Have a decent there, no? Tingnan natin. Okay. Maganda yan. Let's go to Kara. Si Kara yesterday is a very, very good technical, but it did not close on the buy point eh. Pero for me, test buy pa rin, hold pa rin kay Kara. As of this time, no? Baka buy pa rin yan si Kara today. Buy point pa rin si Kara. Okay, saan si Kara? Ayan. Si Kara is still for me a buy period. Buy. Actually, ganda na kay Kara because it's playing around your highs. And honestly, pwede pa to. Kung may pera kayo guys, allocate with this one as well. I would recommend to allocate this one. This is a high risk trade ha. High risk trade to. Decent ka na mga cut loss ka 6 to 8%. Pero kasi pag ipinutok niya yan because of that follow up, ito naman yung reward mo. 11 at least or tuloy-tuloy na to hanggang 20% at least. So, yung mga bumili ng Kara yesterday or today, still good. You're still at good hands with that, no? Wala akong may benta. Gusto ko sabayan kay PLTR. Yes, definitely. Yan ang gusto natin. Sell on news. Tapos sasali natin sa ilalim. Manipulation, di ba? Okay, check natin. Alright. Basta, ito ha. Ito lang. Basta si PLTR is holding on this range here with a decent cut loss of 3 to 4% from the buy range. We're good. We're good. So, dyan na lang magkakatalo risk management nyo. Okay, for that. Okay. Next tayo, NMDM, silver confirming head and shoulder. Sige, let's check at silver. XLV. XNV. Silver. Sana may benta ako. Gusto ko rin bumili ng PLTR. Uy, ganda nga. Ayan, ito. Ganda rin ng silver, oh. Yeah, this is also a confirmation buy today. Okay? Ayan. Tama si sir. Confirmation on your head and shoulder pattern. Please look into this as well. You have a reversal there. Mabilis, malakas to. Na angat. Ako, ganda rin ito, no? Ayan. Okay? Alright, for silver. Okay din si silver. XLV, same lang. Okay, NMDM. NMDM is still trading decently on building the support here. which is still fine. Hindi ko pa rin to ma-recommend bilhin. Let's check it. Ano to? NMDM. Okay, NMDM daily. Ayan. NMDM. NMDM gusto natin dito pa din eh. Ito yung, honestly, si NMDM currently maganda siya. Kung magkaroon ng green candle tomorrow, pwede natin siyang i-test buy. Why? Because na made a breakout, trying to make a support here. Kung hindi, abangan natin dito. Tingnan natin ang indicators. So, pwede siya tomorrow kung magkaroon ng green candle. Or if you're a very aggressive one, that's your risk there. Kung bibili ka today. Nasa support na siya, no? Nagsusupport siya. Ang confirmation candle lang natin yan bukas. No? For that. Let's check. Another one is C. NMD and ABNB. ABNB, we still have a gap down, gap up. We wanted it to close the gap first. Then, saka natin siyang bilhin. Which is still a good thing. At least, because of the earnings report, made the follow-up. Let's check if it's gonna fill up further. Pero right na, wag muna. Okay. Alibaba, let's check to Alibaba as well. Alright, there's a confirmation on our technicals there. There's a reverse head and shoulder pattern trading on our range, no? So for me, Alibaba is still a buy on a long-term position. I have Alibaba. I have a lot of Alibaba on my other account. Tingnan natin ang ating Alibaba sa kabila. Sila buy si Alibaba. Itong mga range na yan, dito ko bibili. If I have money more, I'm gonna buy Alibaba on this range, on that range, and even this range. So I'm gonna buy more to Alibaba on this range there. So I would not be, hindi ako matatakot bumili Alibaba. Sabi ko nga si Charlie Munger is buying Alibaba at this average. Dito siya bumibili about 200 plus to 222. Tayo makukuha natin mas mababa. Di pabor na 'yon, no? Okay. Let me check PLTR here again. Ayan, tingnan natin dito. Supply zone area period. Okay, yan. Hold na yung price sa price bar natin, ha? So, as long as holding there, we're safe. Okay, as long as holding there, we're safe. Which is good. Maglang talaga siyang actually, pwede mo tradable to. Itong range na yan. Tradable. Okay, saka magko-close ng profit dito to be safe dito na. So, malaking profit na rin yan. 3%. TP2 mo is 5% for that range. Para sure. Price action close. Or kung long term ka, pwede. Kasi nasa daily ka naman. Kung bounce trader ka, hanggang dyan lang. Kung long term ka, okay yan. Maganda na yung trend ni PLTR because of that. No? Itong confirmation ni PLTR. Yan. Takihin niya yung range na yun. AGC. AGC daw, sabi ni sir. AGC. Okay, AGC. Financial agglomerate. Alright. This is a gap. This is a shadow candle pattern. Tingnan natin dito. Pwede. We can put this on our watch list here. Okay. Let's wait for it mga 2 to 4 days from now pa to confirm. Baka kasi mag-consolidate pa above there. So, wala pa siya. FCell. FCell here. FCell, I would recommend this to buy na. Ako, babiling ko to kung may FCell. Kung meron akong FCell, pwede ko na to i-consider bilhin today. Kung medyo hindi ka masyadong aggressive, you can buy below this. Pumunta din sa, pababayin pa konti. Pababayin mo dito konti. Ito yung mga buy range ko kay FCell eh. So, ganda na eh, no? Consolidate, trend, pullback, angat. So, abangan ko na rin to si FCell eh. Okay, what else? Looking forward bid catalyst earnings before call ng Grab. Alright, that's good. May catalyst tomorrow daw. Yan. Okay. Parang gusto kong bumili ng PLTR na yan. Wala akong may benta pati sa kabila eh. Yung support ko na isa, wala din eh. Wala akong may benta dito. Okay, check natin si AGC, AGG. Head and shoulder din daw to. CH. Ito? AGH? Sana head and shoulder dito? Parang wala. Okay, head and shoulder or reverse head and shoulder. This one is a... Gusto natin magkaroon ng confirmation breakout before tayo bumili. So, maybe a close above this range. Okay, but for now, nagre-resistance yung previous support. So, di mo na, no? SDC. SDC is Smile Direct Club. Gap down as well. Grabe earnings report season, no? Pwede to i-test buy. Pwede test buy. Nagkaroon ng confirmation support. Nagkakaroon siya ng confirmation support. Decent cut loss ka. Ngayon, pwede to i-test buy. Ano nangyari dun? 5% risk. So, pwede siya test buy ngayon. SDC. Elite Club. Tingnan na to. So, Elite Club. Ayan na, oh. So, nasa nursing services. May gap down pa. Tingnan na lang yung Funda Elite Club. Okay. SDC is also a good find. Thank you. Alright, so yung mga bumili ng PLTR, you're already up by 2%, 3% so far on the bottom, which is good. So far, as long as this is there, we're safe. Wala akong pera, sayang, buti pa kayo. Okay, SDC Palladium. Let's check Palladium. Alright, Palladium. Okay, alam mo na, yan. Nakita-kita na yan. Oh, Palladium. Support. Rase entry. Hindi ko na-explain. Alam mo na bakit. Okay. Pag nasa, wag nyo na pa-check. Okay. Ito, pwede rin ito bilhin ngayon. Bounce trade. Okay. Test buy na rin to. Pwede to guys. Kitang-kita naman, no? Kitang-kita na ng MA50. Support range. Rase entry. So, pwede itong i-test buy ngayon. Ganda rin. Ganda rin tsura, no? Okay. Dama ba? Dami nating chart dito ngayon. O, yun. Yung ko, nagbubunga ng aking bounce trade yesterday. So, yesterday, we bought this together on the gap down. If I mentioned with you guys, diba, na-mention ko sa inyo yesterday, sabi ko, hintayin ko to ng, okay, let me give you a walkthrough. How did I made a buy position on my PayPal? Okay, I'm using Fibonacci extension. I'm using Fibonacci. If you're a Fibonacci, ma-appreciate mo to. Okay? If you're a Fibonacci, if you're a trader already, okay? This is one of my masterclass. So, kung hindi nyo to nakikita sa YouTube, possible itong isang 1% tuturo ko sa inyo is Fibonacci Advance. Okay? Pag may mga gap down na ganyan, okay? Ang ginagawa ka sa Fibonacci, I'm getting the nearest uptrend and downtrend high. Sa Fibonacci, may 1 and 2 yan. Okay, may 1 and 2. Meron din yang possible 3 and 4. Okay, from there, mag-aabang na ako. Yan, okay? Ganyan. So, kita ko dito, nagre-resist siya. Possible, ito ang Fibo nito. Ito yung gusto niyang tingnan Fibo, na tumicheck ng Fibo. Sa Fibo kasi walang tama, mali. Ayan, nakita mo? Walang tama umali si Fibo. Bakit walang tama umali? Kasi, yung gumagamit ng Fibo is dependent on the number of users. So, meaning, kung marami gumagamit ng Fibo, ito yung tatamang presyo nila. Your goal is to find that 618. So, tingnan mo yesterday, when PayPal is subsiding, look at my bottom. I got it on the bottom. So, that's one masterclass na itinuturo ko sa inyo ngayon. So, that's my masterclass. Hindi siya YouTube. Yung Fibonacci, nakikita ko sa YouTube yan. You're missing a lot. Because the YouTube contents is just, okay, is just a small fraction of what you know in the Fibonacci. And Fibonacci is just one topic. There's a lot to talk about. Okay, that's my successful trade there. I made the close decision there to buy it and even add today. So my TP here, okay, my TP here is this one level on a daily chart or this one here. Kung bumaba pa yan, my cut loss is here. I'm always ready to have a cut loss. From my buy point, I have a buy point pa din. I still have a cut loss. If hindi siya tamaan yung mga TP targets ko. Pero at least yung range ng TP ko, hindi TP that, no? So, siya. So, balikin natin. Kita niyo yung sukat? Di ba? Bottom na bottom. Uy, bottom. Bili nga ako doon. Nag-bounce. Confirmation. Di bumili. We did the same thing in PLTR. Hopefully, PLTR is just a plain, PLTR trade natin is just a simple demand zone trade. So, for now, it's holding there. It's good. Yan, green na kayo in the next 3 minutes. So, yung mga nag-TP na dyan, pwede na yan. Actually, pwede na to. Yung bumili dito sa ilalim. 2%, 3%, pwede na yan sa akin. Pero kung gusto mo talaga i-long position to, pwede naman. Basta ready ka lang sa cut loss mo. 1:1 ka, 1 dito, 1 doon. Or gusto mong konting amount, ganun siya. So, my masterclass will start on Saturday. We actually have a few early bird rates that you can check it out. That's one technique that you can learn from me. No, you can learn from me. So, there you go. Let's go. So, yan. Nakita nyo na. Saan yun do? EMA 5, EMA 10 can be your TP on PayPal. Kasi baka mag-subside ba yan? Umabot nyo sa daily chart eh. So, for that, no? OCGN. Tapos tayo kay OCGN, right? No? Okay, OCGN. CAT and OCGN will be the next. CAT after the dito, honestly si CAT is also a buy position. Wait lang natin ng konti. Nagta-touch naman siya sa close the gap niya. It's actually within the buy zone already. Near the buy zone already. We're just waiting for it to go there. For now, wala pa. Okay. BCH. BCH is also a buy for me. BCH is a buy for me, sir. Tapos na tayo sa ating crypto. Pero check na natin later yan. Unahin mo natin yung mga stock market. Mas gusto natin yung stock market eh. Okay, there. So for ADS, it's still on a downtrend for me. I would not trade this one so far because you're risking a lot to trade a downtrend. So yung mga highs na yan, pwede mag-resist, bumalik, bababa. Online class, meron ba? Meron. Honestly, andito yan, no? If andito sa dapat pala nilalagay ko yan sa So yung masterclass natin, it's gonna start this coming this coming Saturday already. Ang mga ituturo ko po dyan are a lot of things, no? I've been teaching. So this year we had like 450 students who enrolled on our masterclass and graduated on the masterclass. If you're a masterclass graduate, can you marirecommend mo po ba yung class natin? If you're watching right now, or sulit ba yung masterclass natin? So this is my masterclass module from basic to advanced in terms of the price action with matching coaching classes, risk management, how to make your increasing confidence with balancing your losses and wins, techniques, okay, your system techniques based on what the market is giving you, downtrend, sideways, uptrend, parabolic, lahat matitrade mo siya, Forex, crypto, it's all there. Ituturo yan sa'yo lahat in the next 2 months. And even long-term investing. Long-term investing, no? So, long-term investing is, if you're busy enough, tapos gusto mo pa rin mag-trade at some point, tapos meron kang long-term, definitely, yan, makikita dyan. Long-term investing is also part there. So, makakabuha ka ng techniques from me kung paano. So, the question is right now, oy, ikaw ba? Nagtitrade ka ba? Tapos, tinitrade mo ba yan? Pero ikaw, yung port mo ba green? Hindi lahat. Hindi lahat ng port ko green. But, close figures, it's all gaining. So, this is my 2 port here. Now, I'm showing this, guys, to make sure that I'm authentic. Hindi ako plastic, na hindi ako natatalo. No? Hindi ako nagpapaka-plastic. But definitely, my 2 ports is definitely close on a big position, on a gain position this year, and gaining from the equity curve ko. So yung whole asset class ko for this year, yung total port ko, not just in eToro, pati Forex, is up by mga 45%. Yung buong pera ko naka-invest na minamanage ko po. So, yun yung isa na matutunan mo on my long-term investing. So, how to diversify, how to create your portfolio, not even it's small or big. So, tuturo ko sa psychological dyan on these classes here. So, yun matututunan nyo po sa akin there. So, grabe yung promotion ko today Okay, sorry mapapasarap yung usapan eh. Okay? Highly recommended. So, first session, bawi na agad. Kay Jibo Batch, thank you. Kentro Sal, City na kulit para November batch. Sobra. CJ, sulit na sulit, budget friendly. Weekends and every Saturday. Yes, it's every Saturday, 9 o'clock p.m. 8 o'clock p.m. Netflix, let's go. Lo, ito yung oras natin. Sige, bawiin na natin. For Netflix, guys, for Netflix, wag nyo na po si Netflix. Kasi si Netflix nasa taas na yan eh. Okay, tok-tok na si Netflix, nagre-resist pa, no? Ayan. For Netflix, medyo wag na to. Medyo pa siya. Medyo patapos na yung trend Netflix. Tingnan natin ngayon dito. Tingnan natin kung magtuloy-tuloy. Pero Netflix was a buy dito pa lang eh. Pinabili ko na si Netflix dito pa lang or dito. Ito. Patingin natin si Netflix dito. I think nasa club din to eh. May tinamaan ng TP namin kay Netflix, I think. Hanapin natin dito si Netflix. Tingnan natin TP area ko kay Netflix para makita nyo din. No? Ayun. Si Netflix, tapos na. Tinamaan yung TP namin, 789. Wala pa pala 789. But 771, 753. Wala pa, no? So, for now, dito tayo mag-aabang. Pero it was by October 19, pinabili na natin si Netflix around this area here. October 19. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Itong kandila. Kita nyo? So, before pa siya nag-breakout, yung mga nasa Elite Club or even the Massacre Rain above 11% sa tuktok. Or possible, nasa 5% pwede dyan for Netflix. So, it's all here. Elite Club is way to go. Okay. Dino Picayo, learn a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for appreciating live here. First time ko lang nagpala ng paas, no, live with you guys. Thank you for backing me up. Paano mag-enroll? Night ako available. Please do PM my page. I'm gonna give you the rate right now. Roku is the same with PLTR trade. The main problem with this one is baka to mag-subside pa further. Okay, meron tayong Feroku, supposedly ito yung buy point. TP point is here. Ngayon, medyo delikado na to. Okay, ingat na lang with this one kasi di pa niya tinatamaan yung EMA 5 mo. So, hindi pa niya tinatamaan yung EMA 5 yan. Baka delikado yan for us, no? So, wag muna. Wag muna for Roku. Maganda yung masterclass ulit. Yes, thank you so much. Tesla bounce. Yes, we did that already, Richard. Tesla bounce is here. Ayun, ayan. Kita nyo? Kita nyo? Ayan. Near, halos konti lang, oh. Diferensya sa linya ko. Kita nyo? Ayan. Kita nyo yung, kita nyo ang masterclass contents. Ayan. Very simple Fibonacci ginamit natin. Nagkaroon ng bounce. TP is here or here. Linya. Ayan. Pinabigyan na kayo ng mga indication. So, yung mga nag-bounce kanina, ayun, congratulations. Naka-bounce kay Tesla. Huwag nyo na masyadong matagal i-hold. Yung mga naipit, kanina sana bumili kayo sa dip. Then, umangat. Ayun na pala. Basic example. So, congrats. LNC medyo, okay, LNC is still a good trend pa din. As long as the LNC is holding here, it's actually doing a weak momentum already. Okay, weak momentum na si LNC eh. Let's check lang for LNC if it's gonna hold this all-time high here. Tingnan natin kung ituloy-tuloy ni LNC to. But definitely still on my list. Life insurance is still good. One lesson for those who don't know or maybe this can help you. Let me just give you one insight. Okay. For mga, 'di ba, we can see an inflation in the US is definitely umaangat, no? If you want an inflation proof port, example, you want to check, gusto mo mga inflation resistant na mga stocks, go for real estate, banks, and insurance companies. Inflation proof yung mga yan. Kahit umangat yung inflation proof, itaas yung interest rates, buhay yan. So, isa yan sa mga titingnan mo, inflation is very high in US. So, kung gusto mo magdagdag sa mga port, that could actually trigger increase interest rates by insurance companies, banks, and real estate. Okay, real estate. Yan ang titingnan na dyan. Okay? So, LNC is part of that, life insurance. Kaya tingnan mo, umaangat siya, nag-breakout sa previous, because of that possible. Nag-hit na ang PLTR. Thank you. Tingnan natin sa PLTR. Tinamaan ba? Ayan, tinamaan na nga ang PLTR ang ating TP area. Okay, tinamaan nga ang ating previous. So yung mga wala pa nito, pwede pa ulit umentry. Dito na lang to ulit sa buy area. Simple lang. Alas pag ganito, nag-day trade ka, sarap. Kasi antay mo lang, bibili ka dito, antay mo siya doon. Balik ulit dito, bili ko. Kasi malakas na support eh. No? So kung naka-hold ka pa din, ayan, dito 5% is good. So, maganda siya. Tingnan si PayPal ko. Okay, good. Alright, check natin. Ano ba? Ayan, Roku, we're done at that. Alright, it's 11 o'clock. Na-overextend tayo, but definitely, we can still extend for the next 15 minutes. Nasobrahan ako ng aking promotion. Pasensya na. I hope you learned a lot as well for today. Okay, let's have a quick review. Okay, yung tingnan natin yung aking mga stock watch list na ina-gather this week. Okay, unahin natin si Crowd. Tingnan natin si Crowd. Si Crowd, napakaganda pa rin ni Crowd. Buhay pa rin ang kanyang trend. Thank you, Crowd. Okay, so may mga nag-hold ng Crowd. Sumabay po sa akin within this range. We're still good. Crowd is still intact. Definitely good tayo dyan. DKS, tingnan natin ang DKS. DKS is still good. Tingnan din natin DKS kung mag-breakout to. Abangan nyo na yan. Please lang. SMR, mga momentum trades talaga ngayon. SAAP. We're waiting as well for a breakout. Pero nakabili na sana tayo sa ilalim before that. Ito din, SMR. If you can remember, I think this is here natin binili or breakout. Yesterday yata. SMR. So, opportunity if magkaroon to ng green candle. Note nyo na ha. Please write down. Green candle tomorrow, buy. Ito, this one, Kara. For those who bought Kara yesterday and even today, congratulations. Pag may pera ko, bibilin ko pa din yan. Mas pinili ko lang mag-bounce trade. Baka definitely mag-TP ako somewhere. Maghahanap ako. Okay, there go. CNA. Okay, CNA, wala. Wala man tayong buy point dito. Nasa taas na siya. HBI Consumer. Let's wait for a reversal. Daming momentum trades, ano? Momentum trade to din. PBH. 8 gates, guys. 8 gates technique. Check na lang kung magrarasi. Nasa rasi na nga siya. Baka lumipad to. PBH. Tingnan nyo na lang ang market cap. 8 billion. PBH, check nyo na. Please lang. Okay, this one, ito din. Maganda na rin yung pinapakita nito. Confirmation na lang to ng breakout, but definitely this is also consideration of buy na rin, no? Malapit-lapit na to. Malapit-lapit na rin. EOS, yung nakalimutan natin sa crypto kanina. Okay, so yung mga bumili kahapon, congratulations. Bumili nung kahapon, yes, congrats. Sabi natin, no? Ito yung drawing natin, no? Pag pullback doon, then bilhin natin. So, ayan yung pullback na hinihintay po natin. No? Sabi natin kahapon, wag niyong habulin. If you can remember, kasi that time, it was here. So, that's 8%. Sabi ko, hanapin nyo na intraday. We made the drawing even here. With this range, sabi ko, bilhin na kayo. Nakabili na sana kayo. No? So, nasa waiting game na lang po kayo dyan. If bibili ka pa lang, breakout na lang ang ipasok mo pag nag-breakout dito. Pero kanina kahapon sana or ito ayan oh. Kung saan yan ayan oh. Dito. Pag breakout doon, ito dito tayo last night no. Sabi ko magre-resistance yan dito. Hintayin nyo yan dito sa price action, then bili kayo. So, yun, binigay nga niya. So, congrats sa mga nakabili ng EOS. Yung mga bibili pa lang, wag na po. Wag mo muna po nang umabol. Baka bumalik ka ulit dito, sisihin mo pa ako, no? Okay? Extend tayo, 10 minutes para sa inyo. Okay. Donut Crispy. Dinut. Oy, ganda rin ito. 13% food distribution, restaurant feel, Krispy Kreme. Uy, bago lang pala ito nag-IPO si Krispy Kreme, no? Bago lang pala nag-IPO si Krispy Kreme sa ibang bansa. Galing, ah. Kayo ko lang naman. Alright, we have a reversal for Krispy Kreme. I'm gonna put it on my watch list. Okay. Alright, there you go. We have a breakout here. We have a Rasi entry there. We're just waiting for a Kage entry. Tingnan natin sa 4-hour. Kage na rin nga. Ang ganda. Watchlist na talaga natin to. Maganda to. Okay, first breakout niya with the reversal candle. Let's actually, pwede tayo mag-long position dito if it's gonna stay there in the next 3 to 5 days. Kung magkaroon to ng green candle bukas, may tatama ang resistance yan. Next week tayo possible ito tama ang resistance yan. Hintayin natin mag-pull back within this range ulit. Bili natin. Okay, basta babalik yan dyan. Okay tayo dito. Drawingan ko na. O yan. Hindi tayo bili. Okay, wag natin abulin to kasi dito. Ilang percent lang yan. Thank you for this one, ha. I like this. May connection to sa fundamentals sa nangyayari sa US. So, good for this one. Long position to. Ganda. IPO. Okay, rule for IPO. I'm gonna give you also one. Save nyo tong recorded na to, ha. Okay, rule for IPO trades. Okay, this is experience. This is not from the books. This is experience. All right. But from the IPO, the full reversal to the super uptrend is when a breakout on the IPO price. This is the IPO price. Okay. The third day to fifth day breakout is the initial start of a new trend of a recent IPO price. So wala pa tayo doon. Ang ginagawa pa lang ni Krispy Kreme is looking for a base area. So it's establishing a base to attack the mid to long term position ng stock. So bakit may ganung psychological factor? IPO may be an emotional buy of investors kasi excited kilala si Krispy Kreme. Can be an overpriced position yung mga nag-pre-IPO, nagbenta on the first position. No? Then the price will of course go to the current earnings. Then magkakaroon siya ng bottom na the possible fair value, book to value price, 1/3 of the time. Then usually institution buyers or what they call big funds usually buy on the breakout on the second or third breakout of the IPO price. Where is that? Etong kandilang to. So which is that range dito? Long-term investors buy on the breakout on this price level. I'm gonna give you one. Philippine Stock Exchange. Para close to the heart. Alright. Sige, A-REIT. Simulan natin sa A-REIT. Ito. Tingnan nyo to. IPO price, bagsak. Second day, bagsak. Look at what happened afterwards. On the second day, na nagkaroon ng breakout, even on the third day, it's actually holding the price. Okay? On the IPO price, nagkaroon ng breakout, what happened to A-REIT? Ayan, no? Kita nyo? Okay? Super uptrend. Another one, Monde. Okay, sabihin natin dito, Monde. IPO price, PAM, third day, nagkaroon ng breakout on the second day, third day. Boom, tuloy-tuloy. Roblox. Roblox Corporation. Dami ko example, ha? Oh, yan. Oh. Okay, look at this. US market, second day, third day, gap down, nag-gap down here. So, dito yung second day, third day. Okay? It actually made a strange buy. Then, it breaks the initial IPO price. Look at that. It's anong nangyari? Hinode din ng price hanggang pinutok. Okay? That's something you can see in that's something you cannot see in YouTube. That's something you cannot see in the books. Okay, it's the rule inside the trading community, inside the training office that my previous mentor taught me. And even IPO price play, mga KPPI, tinitrade ko yan before. Nakakapagod na kasi mag-day trading eh. Okay, KPPI on the dito, nakita nyo dyan, no? Oh. Ito, 50%, 50%. May mga rules yan. Second day, third day rule. Oh, may mga connection yan sa loob eh. O, benta na tayo ha. Third day, fourth day rule na. Okay? Okay, so yan, yung mga dapat yung matutunan. Okay, so for you investors, guys, always look for the price between the first 3 days and that's gonna be your baseline kung saan ka magsa-start mamili. Okay, so second to third yan. Alright, okay tayo doon. Okay, so yan ha, I hope you learn, guys. So thank you so much for tonight. I hope you're all learning. With this one, I would like to say thank you for second kahapon tsaka today nandito po rin kayo. Please do share this live always, and also if you're busy like me, daming trabaho, tapos di masyado naka-trade, kasabay lang kayo magte-trade. I'm doing just my my robot trading, no? Robot trading lang ako. Our Izanagi is up by 242%, and I have a client who actually put million. Oh, this is the first time papakita ko sa inyo. Naglagay siya ng 2 milyon. Tingnan mo yung daily profit niya. Okay? Naglagay ng 2 milyon. Tingnan mo yung profit per day. Look at this one, ha. Dito sa akin, ha. Pero nagpaalam ako sa sir, pwede ko pang my FX book para makita ng mga audience natin na pwede talaga maglagay kay Izanagi ng malaking amount. O, ito yung unang account niya. O, tingnan mo yung earnings na. Nagkaroon siya na yan. Tingnan mo, back. June, earnings sa 30,000. From July, nag-scale up siya eh. Scale up siya from October 14. Bam! Doon tayo. This is his first account. Nag-open siya na another account. Izanagi. Sa dito. Izanagi. Huwag yung screenshot to. Baka mabiyaya. Joke lang. Pero tingnan mo, nag-open siya recently. O, mabagal pa nga si Izanagi ngayon. Pero tingnan mo, nag-open siya. Another 20,000, 1 million. Di sa akin to ha. Huwag yung sa akin. Di akin to. Okay? Tingnan mo yung profit per day. Sabi ko, may pera akong ganito. Gagawin ko to. Gagawin ko to kay Izanagi. Kaya profit niya per day, guys. 3,000 pesos. 1,000 to 2,000 pesos a day. Just go. Oh, 87, 1,000. Jump. 1,000. Then 114 to 143. 1,000 to 2,000 pesos a day. Pumapatax. Automated trading. Lakas ng loob. 1 million. 3 million nilagay. Hindi ko nilagay isang account. Naiyan ako eh. Okay, kasi dalawa lang pinaalam ko. Pero grabe, no? Kakatawa. So, isa yan. Ang galing, no? So, yan. Also, actually, meron din siyang Valkyrie. Yung scalping natin na bot. Si Valkyrie is doing great as well. At 50% risk, we're actually up by 16%. The low risk account ni Valkyrie is up by 12%. All automated, and even my 50% risk is all up by 5%. So, naka-diversified yung portfolio natin. And it's all here. If you want to go to our Forex robot, yan, dito dyan lahat. You can just understand it. Yan, ito tayo mga different. Uy, guys, I'm gonna bring this up to you. If you're a trader, if you're looking for stress, no, not really stress, no, exciting, adrenaline, okay, meron tayong webinar this coming end of month. Okay, we have a new product for day traders. All right, we started forward testing it. If you're hearing this, this is for traders. Intraday automated trading robot. Intraday automated robot. I'm so excited with this one. I'm doing the presentation. We're forward testing it, back testing it, which is good. Forward testing yung $500, no, $500 is at 100% already. October 25 up to the current date. So, anong settings ginawa natin doon? If you're listening, Izanagi on a setting of a day trader. Izanagi on a setting of a day trader. Trading 20 start, 20, very high risk for traders talaga siya. Pinag-isipan pa namin ni Jay kung kanina namin siya i-offer, but that's something to look into. So, yan, mabibisi ka na lang. Titingnan mo lang, okay, cutlass na to. Okay, bilhin mo to. 100% from October 25 to current date. Izanagi on a day trader setting. Yun ang isang magandang ila-launch natin. Wait for that end of month. We're filing and then we're gonna launch the program in partner with XM kasi meron silang trading psychology na seminar on our November and last of our seminar this year. So I'm gonna see you there, guys. And with that, I would like to say thank you for this opportunity also to present with you the products that we have on the Wise Investor PH. I hope you earn today with us together and see you in the club. Thank you so much. May the market be with you always. And this is John. Thank you so much. God bless and bye bye for tonight, guys. Thank you. See you on Friday.